Hello everyone, it's Sean and I'm back here to do the unboxing video for the MegaConstrux land shark. I'm building the parts, the pieces, in order of the number of pieces, and the MegaConstrux name is now no longer valid. It's called Mega now, so now these are all historical artifacts. So I am slow. I'll take you through the instructions first. So let's move the camera down a bit. All right. So we'll go through the instructions before the opening up the kit. I'll do this as an unboxing first. It'll be part one of the build. All right. So you can build it here. So the figures do come in specifically marked bags, and you do have to put the figures together. So both Skeletor, Battle Armor Skeletor, and oh wait, help if you could see it, Battle Armor Skeletor and Stratos himself. Two different ways based on what you attach. And then of course you can see how you start building from the purple and pink pieces. There you go, that's better. You can see how you start building the land shark himself. There you go. And what I like is that it colors the exact number of pegs that are underneath an existing piece, so you know exactly where to put it to get everything arranged in the proper order. And it gives you examples of what the types of pieces are. All the way, well, see, have to do it in order. See, now you jump to bag number 3. And you start attaching weapons and wheels, it looks like. And then you attach, I guess that's the jaw hinge mechanism. Looks like seats or something. Yeah, okay, here we go. Here's the big wheel. So it has several wheels. It almost looks like some kind of tank tread track thing. Well, that's good. Hope it fits around those wheels. Then you're building another platform of some type from mostly pink parts. And let's see what it fits onto. Okay, so it's its own separate piece, almost like a cockpit. Oh, it's the top jaw hinge section, and it fits on there. Good. All right. See, it looks almost it looks a bit like a snowmobile once you're done. Oh, okay, then you get into light gray pieces, so they're probably weapons of some sort. And then you attach them to the, and you do the other side. See, 1 and 1. Okay, good. And they can move up and down, or they should be able to. Then you put the Skeletor you built into the vehicle, and its jaw can move up and down, and then you have the 2 figures posed. And of course, if you need to order any other parts, you've got a whole list here, part number and everything, and exactly who to contact. And of course, the other sets on the back. So here's the box. There's what it looks like when it's complete. And the copyright date is 2021. Which you can see. There you go. All right. Oh, here we go. See? I'm not going to take anything out of the bags, but we'll take a look at what's in the bags to start with. So, one side, you've got Skeletor, Battle Armor Skeletor, and Stratos, and their respective bases. So that's bag number 1. Bag number 2 is most of the purple pieces and blue pieces, so you can see them all here in separate individual bags, apparently, within bag number 2. Bag number 3 is right here, so it has some blue, it has some purple, it has some orange pieces, including the conveyor belt sections, which look like they're soft rubber, so that's good. They'll fit around the wheels. Even some gray pieces for the weapons. And bag number 4 is most of the gray pieces for the weapons and everything. You can see that here. So that's basically just a brief introduction of the kit. And I'm going to see if I can actually get a group picture, so I'll be right back. Alright, so there's the best picture for the unboxing, the thumbnail. Of course, I'll crop it to fit. That'll be part 1 of the MegaConstrux Land Shark build. And I'll come back this time next week to show you the build progress. So, have a good week, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.